with little assurance that the president is serious about making her the government's anti-drug czar for 6 months at least. Vice President Leni Robredo is refusing to comment on the challenge. Robredo says one should not give in to emotions when handling the country's drug issue. She says it's more important to solve the country's problems than to throw insults, which is how she perceives President Duterte's dare. Indeed, while Robredo openly questioned whether or not that challenge was even sincere, never mind official, former and current PNP leaders have been dismissive of the idea, stressing that President Duterte remains the best person to lead the war on drugs. Former PNP chief and incumbent Senator Bato de la Rosa said Robredo simply has no record fighting crime. For Senator Panfilo Lacson, no one can do better than Mr. Duterte, especially in a campaign that he had personally designed and spearheaded. PNP officer in charge Archie Gamboa said he does not see the president simply ceding his anti-crime mandate. Some lawmakers, however, did have different takes on the matter. Senator Risa Ontiveros asked, why 6 months? Why not give Vice President Robredo the remainder of her and President Duterte's terms until 2022 to try to make a difference? Detained lawmaker Leila de Lima meanwhile challenged the president to just relinquish his post, saying the Constitution only allows the complete transfer of power. Senator Kiko Pangilinan echoed Ontiveros' point. Give the Vice President 3 years to lead the anti-drug and anti-crime campaigns, he said. Presidential spokesman Salvador Panelo said Robredo should seize this opportunity to back her criticism of the war on drugs with alternative and more effective action.
The offer is precisely for the Vice President to be the drug czar. Because as the President says, parang magaling ka yata, o di sige, bibigay ko sa iyo. Para makita naman natin kung may magagawa kang paraan.
For all the public statements, Robredo says she has not actually received any communication to indicate that this is a formal and serious offer. But Panelo says Robredo is simply not responding to the president's pronouncement.
The ball is in her court. But if I were in her place, I would accept. Because this is a rare opportunity for a critic who would be given an opportunity to show her mettle and at the same time helping the government